Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to remove the radio on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I believe they're the same from 2015 all the way on up to 2021, 2022. Give you guys an idea why we're changing this one out. It's because we're going to convert into this bad boy right here. So this one, it's got YouTube on it. It's got navigation, GPS. It's got a whole bunch of stuff into it. And let's show you guys here how to take this out. It looks a little bit more complicated than it really is. So first what we want to do is open up your passenger door, take a little pry tool and get the back of this piece that goes all the way across here that has your climate control on it. You want to pry here and just rip this out. And this is just clipped into place all the way through. And eventually, little by little, one clip at a time, this guy all comes out like that. You could take this harness out here off the back of this and unclip it if you want, but it doesn't really get in the way. And then next, you can see this guy's got the radio has two bolts on the bottom here, but the problem is that we got two more on the side in here. In order to take these vents out, first we got to pop this trim up top. Get your pry tool, get it inside here on the bottom, and pop this guy out. Move that guy out the way. And then these guys are both, the vents are clipped in there. All you do is just take your hand on the bottom, just give it a nice tug, and that guy will pop right out. Same thing with the other one. Put those guys to the side. And there we got one bolt there. We got another bolt on the other side. So I've already loosened these guys up. So now we'll just take them out by hand. So 4 10mm bolts. Take all 4 of those guys out. And then all you got to do, the radio has some more clips in it. Grab the bottom of it. Just pull it right out. And there you guys go. You got all your connectors back here. So whether you guys are swapping it out for an OEM one, or if you guys want to put an aftermarket one, that's how you take out the radio on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helps you guys out, hit the like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it, and thank you guys very much.